Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on this Samsung oven. The customer's complaint is that the unit does not maintain its temperature or it does not reach over 275 degrees. I'm here to check this oven and see what's wrong in here. So here's the unit, and the model and serial number is located at the bottom drawer. When you open it, it's right there. That's the model and serial number. And when you're ordering the part, always give the part suppliers the version number, which is 01, and that way you can get the correct part. On these ovens, very common problems are the bake element that blows inside and it doesn't work after that. Unit will still work, but it will not maintain its temperature. So in order to check everything here, the first thing I'm going to do is I will turn on the bake element here. Bake 350 start. You can hear a humming noise. That humming noise tells me two things. One, the bake element is on, and the second, the bake element is not on. The convection element is trying to run, but I do not hear the convection fan motor running except this noise. So I'm gonna open the door. I will press the start again. So here I'll put my flashlight in here. I press this door lock here, switch. You can hear the humming noise, but the motor is not running. And I'm gonna have to ask my customer to hold this switch for me, and then I can turn the blade with my flat screwdriver. Hi, I need your help, please.
Yeah.
If you can press this button and hold it.
Okay.
Thank you. And I'm gonna spin this with my... Thank you so much. You can release it. Thank you. Okay, so this tells me that the convection motor is seized and it's not working. Sometimes by doing this you can unseize it, but you still have to replace the convection fan motor. In order to get to the back of the unit, we need to pull the oven out. The customer also pulled this oven out in the past and they never had any issue. It didn't scratch the floor. So I will do the same thing. I'll pull the unit out and get to the back of it, and it also pulls out very smoothly. If you're not sure about the flooring, please use protection on the floor to make sure you don't scratch it. I have unplugged the unit, and now I'm going to pull all the screws out. There's a couple of screws. Put the camera on the floor. These are all the screws that I pulled from the sides, from this area and then from that area all the way. There's one screw here and there's one screw here. You remove all of these, lift up the panel, and then the panel comes out. Of course the unit is unplugged. At this moment we're gonna check our bake element. I also turn on the bake element sometime, wait, and then I put my hand inside of the oven to feel the heat. That way it will also tell me if the bake is working. But you can also get confused from the heat from the broil element hitting the bottom cavity and you think the bake is working. So to make sure I don't make that mistake, I pull the unit out, get to the bake element. My bake element is right here. One wire is here, one wire is here. I will disconnect it. Do not pull it from the wire. You're gonna disconnect. You're gonna damage the wire. Always hold it from the connector. And then I got my meter here. I'm gonna select continuity here, and to check continuity, you may want to add your probes together to make sure the meter is working. And then after that you can select your you can check your bake element for continuity. So I have my meter here, and then I'm gonna touch the other one. I have good continuity between this side of the element and this side of the element. I will reconnect this back in. Of course, I know that the convection fan motor is seized, and we do not have convection element on this unit. If we had convection element, we would also check that, but now I'm gonna check the broil element. The same thing, I'll disconnect the wire. You need to wiggle it back and forth until you get it disconnected. This time I'll check the broil. My broil element is also working. The bake element seems okay. The broil element seems okay. My wires are okay here. I do not have any cuts or damage anything on the wire. We have nothing else here except the control board, and I'll also show you how the control board looks on this unit. Here's the main relay board. There's nothing else except this main relay board. All the wires are running to the broil element, convection fan motor, and the bake element. So this means we have a bad control board here, and the reason the control board goes bad on these units are because of the convection fan motor. When the convection fan motor seizes, it overheats and it has to backfire and damage something. What's something? We do not have any safety thermostat that runs to the one of the wires from the convection fan motor, so it's just going to damage the main control board here. The main control board on this unit is about $175 plus tax. The convection fan motor is also about $165. And I don't know if the customer wants to spend money on this unit or not, because I'm outside of the city, travel, the service call, labor, parts, everything will cost a lot of money here. I will still give my customer the estimate on this repair. The customer has two options here. If they want to fix this unit whether spending a lot of money, I would just replace their control board, not the convection fan motor. So what I can do here, I would just leave the convection fan motor disconnected, put a little bit electrical wires, or maybe cut one of the wires and then add a moret on it. That way we cannot use the convection fan motor anymore. The oven will still maintain its temperature without any problem, but customer will not be able to use the convection selection on this unit. So that's the only option we have. And the other option, I'll replace the convection fan motor, the main control board, and this will take care of the problem. Or if the customer doesn't like this oven really, I'm just gonna tell him to buy a new one. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you guys have any question, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share it with others. Thank you.